That's very dark. That's a very dark tomato color. The original recipe says season to taste. I put a little sugar in. Very little, I think half a teaspoon. Very little salt. We'll try it by the spoon and then we'll try it with a crouton stick. Whoa. 1946 Contadina cream of tomato soup. Very light on the tomato. Ooh. They said extra rich. It's very rich. I don't think it needs any salt. Maybe just a touch. We'll have to try adding just a tiny bit of salt. I think I can taste a little bit of sugar. It's not bitter. It is tomato paste after all. Let's try a piece with a basil leaf. Oh, it's really good with the basil leaf. Very strong basil. I bought the basil yesterday and they're dying already. I'm lucky I got 3 leaves out of it. Let's take one more spoon and we'll try the crouton. I love the thickness. I do think it needs a little bit more punch. But if you like creamy, this is very creamy. This is Italian bread crouton stick. Italian bread. Let's try it. I wanted a stick. You know, it's possible it does need more salt than half a teaspoon. Here's what we got to do. I'm going to eat this. I'm going to eat these leaves. Let's put a little dash of salt. You can always add it, but you can't take it away. Let's try it with a dash of salt. Oh, really? Oh my gosh, that's really good. Wow. That changes everything. My leaf is turning black. Oh, I'm going to add a little bit more salt and we're going to stir it. Light stir. Let's go in with the crouton. Oh. Oh. Oh yeah. And you know, it's fun to dip. We could have put little croutons on top. It's more fun to dip. Little butter, little oil, fried in a pan. My first impression, I was a little underwhelmed with the flavor. Salt fixes everything. The color is, boy, it's nice and dark, but the salt just changes everything. That's delicious. Holy cow. Thanks for joining me this Tuesday. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Thanks for watching. Yeah. That was delicious.